Guys, this is one of the attraction here in Lihim ng Kubli in Cavite, yan. Yung the river pool. It's a natural. It's a 6.5 feet. Malalim po siya. Ganda oh. This located in Indang, Cavite, Lihim ng Kubli. 3 feet. Instagramable po siya, mga kapatid. This is a 6 feet pool. It's a natural. It's a free flowing from the mountain. See?